Howdy.
Exactly. Well, hey guys, welcome back to My KC Live. Leanne Lee, the diva of DIY, is joining us in the studio today. I'm so excited because I finally get to meet you in person.
I know. I've been stalking you from
It's mutual. I've been stalking you too.
Oh my gosh. Well, I think we're fast friends for sure.
Exactly. Sure. Okay, so today we are making some trucker hats to help kick off the football season and show our spirit. These are super customizable, I can already see, but walk me through what we're going to be doing today.
Okay, so first thing is finding the patches that you want. And I get most of my patches on Amazon because it's easy. You can shop from home.
Oh, yeah.
So that's where most of these have come from. I picked some up at Etsy. But we just get these little trucker hats. They're not expensive. And then you just start designing. So a tip I want to show is a lot of if you want some dimension, you're going to have to put some layers. So I've put a couple layers on for you just to kind of start your design, right? But a good little tip is to take some heavyweight magnets, and as you're kind of thinking through how you want to make it, you know, just take a couple of magnets, and then what's nice about that is that you can move this around to see how
the placement.
Right, and then once you do that, then it's just gluing it on. And nobody will ever convince me that E6000 is not the best, because if you can put little rhinestones on a girl's dress for a recital, then you can do this, right?
I love this hack, though, with the magnets, because I feel like I would just be like, well, this is where it's going to go.
Right, once you put the glue on it, you're kind of stuck.
Yes,
right?
But that way you at least, you can move it around and see what looks maybe a little bit better.
And since this is kind of a bigger patch, we'll just use a foam brush. Would you like to make your own?
Okay. I would love to.
So this is the E6000. You're going to just cover the back of this, and then we're just going to place it there.
Pop it on there.
Yep, and I'll start working. I started working on one like the one I have, and I put a football patch to start.
Yes.
And then I'm just going to start adding my stars. And I'll make sure, because I know less glue is best. You don't want it seeping out the sides.
No, definitely not.
You definitely need to make sure that you get it right on the edges.
Because you definitely want it to stay on, and you don't want it to start peeling.
Right, and I know a lot of people have the hat presses. I don't think they work. I think as soon as they sweat, as soon as you anything, they start to come off. So E6000 is the thing.
E6000, you heard it here, E6000.
Okay, so you put your oh, no, your football's upside down. Turn it over. It's all right.
See, it's okay, guys. That's why I have Leanne here.
Yeah, I just think if you're going to wear it, I want it to be perfect.
Yes.
Right?
No, I agree.
All right, so then we're just going to take some tape. You could use the magnets if you want, but we'll use tape just so the viewers can see. And you just let this dry for 3 or 4 hours.
Oh, perfect.
And then I've got one here. And so I started putting my patches on, but I've got one here. Now we have the tape on here.
Oh, my goodness.
So we're going to pull it off.
TV magic.
I do, yes, for sure. I kind of want to see you in it.
Oh, listen, I'll put it on.
Rock it.
Okay. Right. Do I need to take this out, or am I okay?
Oh, yes. Oh,
we have some on the inside.
Yes, I put a little piece of cardboard back there.
There we go.
Oh, my God, you're cute. I got to show you. Yes, I got to show you these examples.
Yes, let's walk me through these.
So I made a couple other Kansas City Chiefs one. We can't forget our Royals.
We cannot. No. The boys in blue.
Yes. And then, I don't know who needs to hear this.
Everyone.
But Taco Tuesday deserves its own hat.
You are correct.
Right? Taco Tuesday deserves a hat. Yeah,
100%.
For sure. And you will see me in that hat.
You're like, listen, I will wear the Taco Tuesday hat everywhere.
Absolutely.
I would wear it. I would be bold enough to not wear it on a Tuesday. I would wear it if I just wanted to get some tacos.
I say we put on some really fancy clothes, our Taco Tuesday hats, and go rock some margaritas and tacos. Let's do it.
Yes,
it's a date.
I'm 100% game for that.
Yeah.
Is application any different? You always use this for these?
For me, I always use the E6000. Now, when you're layering them, you'll do a layer.
Yes.
Tape it, let that dry. That's the only thing, if you're impatient.
Yes.
But that's what gives it the
Can we use this on the mesh side? Because your hat you're wearing right now has a patch too. So does it differ?
So nope, you just use the same and just tape it on.
Okay, perfect.
And I will have things as the Chiefs keep doing their thing, rocking their season, I'll start putting more things on this. So
well, awesome.
I love that you can customize them.
Oh my gosh, you can do anything to it. And maybe if you're not like a huge sports person and you want to just do your own different kind of decor, you can literally do anything.
Or if you just
it's a blank canvas.
Or if you have kids that play football, make it for your school.
Exactly.
Right?
That's awesome. Well, Leanne, thank you so much for being here today.
So welcome.
This is so much fun. And remember, you guys can get exclusive projects and have access to one-on-one help from Leanne with her new membership. Register today online at divaofdiy.com.